Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Sundown Naturals. I tried ripping this little sticker off, so I apologize if it looks a little crooked, but here it is. The Sundown Naturals Biotin. So it is 7,500 micrograms, and these vitamin supplement tablets are great for, say, your hair, the health of your nails, your skin, and that's definitely what I use biotin for. There are 75 tablets in this, although I have used a few, and the container is 3.6 inches. Calcium phosphate and vegetable cellulose are some of the ingredients, and I bought this when I was looking for biotin tablets. I always take biotin because I like what it does to my hair, and I feel like since I have such processed hair, I have to do the best I can to treat it nicely. I also like to keep my nails strong. Although I don't take the best care of them, I like it that they're sturdy so they don't break. And I have one tablet that I take every morning with breakfast. And the top here pops open. I'll show you what the tablets look like. Here we go. That's a good one. And so they're little white round tablets. I always take it with breakfast because I find that with a meal it's probably more effective and it goes down easier. There is no dairy or lactose in these tablets, no artificial flavors, no gluten or wheat. It's great if you are a vegetarian. And the tablets are very small and white, and so they're just easy to swallow. I usually take mine with water because I personally can't take pills without water, but a lot of people could probably do this one with water. And they are tasteless, so you don't have a weird aftertaste, or they're not bitter on your tongue, and you don't get this uncomfortable feeling. They don't smell, and I bought them about 2 weeks ago. This is my first time buying this product. I am exploring the brand Sundown Naturals, and it works out really well for me. It fits in my luggage and I can travel with it. It's kind of a small container, so it comes in handy. I definitely try not to bring it everywhere with me because I don't think that's necessary, but it does fit in my purse if I need it to. It fits in my luggage. It's very lightweight. And I also just keep it in my medicine cabinet. So that's how I store it. And it comes in this orange plastic, kind of clear container, very solid, with the cap that just pops open. You have the logo here on the cap as well, and it's just a nice little container to carry it in. Definitely doesn't break easily. I haven't tried dropping it, but it seems like it would be pretty sturdy. I used to use Nature Valley Biotin, and I mean, I love that one too. Don't get me wrong, that's a great brand as well, but I definitely like this one as well. So I don't know if I'm gonna stick to this one, but it's definitely something that I use often and every day. It is made in the USA, and Sundown Naturals was founded in 1977. They provide all different forms of vitamins and supplements. They have gummies and oils and just so many different forms you can take it in. So if you're uncomfortable with the tablet. And they also have kids vitamins and multivitamins. So I would check them out if you're looking for vitamins, especially if you're looking for biotin. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.